today I'm gonna be coding a graph using adjacency matrix. I have a little bit of idea about the adjacency matrix and how it works, but I don't know how to code it, how to represent a graph using adjacency matrix. So I'm just gonna do some googling and then I'll get to the code. Alright. Okay, so here's what I have end up with. Suppose this one is a graph 1 2 3 4, and if we want to represent it inside a computer's memory using a adjacency matrix, then we need to store both the connections and the non-connections and represent them as 0 and 1. Like suppose we have 1 2 3 and 4, so suppose 1 2 3 and 4, so there are connections between 1 and 4, 1 with 2 and 4, so we have to represent the connections with 2 and 4 with 1, but otherwise we have to write 0. Same goes for all of these numbers, so we just have to put 1 for the connection, 0 for the non-connections, and that's all we have to code. So we have vertices, we need a 2D matrix, and we just need to pass the source and the destination, put 1 inside where there is a connection. That's all.
Eastern Europe from where your body ordering fancy drinks in the cafe. Oh, you so sexy, that's all you got, man. She about her business and so am I too. Hoping the H-cap won't make a difference. Down to get litty, she thinks I'm fine too. She been in situations I'm living. Yeah, I'm on it. Rolling up to you, I keep it honest. I ain't just a youngin', I'm a boss girl. Got it on lock and I'm a blow for it. That's on me, I stay.
I think we are pretty good to go. Let's draw the graph here first.
She just like me with the business. And money bitches really get boring. Yeah. We don't really wanna leave you.
The graph, so the output should look like we can't draw the output here. Let's check if we have any same whiteboard or stuff.
Get you in my head. She's an independent girl, don't like to depend on guys.
The graph is 0 1 2 3, and so the output matrix should look like this: 0 1 2 3. Oh man, my drawing is so bad. So 1 2 3. So there are connections between 0 1 3, so 1 and 3 will be 1. And as this is an undirected graph, so if there is a connection between 0 and 1, there has to be connection between 1 and 0. So there is so this should be the matrix. Let's check. Let's just run the code. Oh, sorry. To comment it out. I'll just give a number 4. So there are connections between 0 1 1 2 2 3 and 3 0. 0 1 1 2 2 3 and 3 0. I should be 0. Sorry. 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. It's giving me 1 0. Let's check 1 0 and 2. Sorry, it will be connection between 2 and 0 with 1, right? So 2 and 0 will have 1, and 1 and 3 will have zeros. Yeah, so 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. Yeah, so here's our graph represented in adjacency matrix.